Hey everybody, it's your boy Ghost here at Tampa Harley-Davidson. I'm here today with the 2015 XG500 Trike. I got to give you a little bit of information on this thing here. This bike is the only one, suspension technology. They came out with a kit for this motorcycle itself to make this bike into 3 wheels for you, keep you under $12,000 instead of spending that $30,000 for one of the Harley-Davidson models. As far as the FLRT or the FLH TCU TG, which that would be the Flirt or the Tri-Glide. This one gets you into 3 wheels onto a Harley. Great kit that is specifically for this motorcycle itself. This bike's got some low miles on it, beautiful white paint on the motorcycle. So if you want to get yourself on a trike, come on down to Tampa Harley-Davidson. Check us out at hdflorida.com. Give us a call, set up an appointment with your boy Ghost here, 813-886-7433. Peace.